Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix cannot download files on Google Drive. If you're having trouble downloading a file from Google Drive, there are a few simple things you can check right away. In this walkthrough, we'll start inside Google Drive and then move on to a couple of browser-related fixes that often solve the problem. First, open Google Drive and go to the area where your file is located. If the file was shared with you, you may find it in the Shared with Me section. Take a moment to locate the specific file that will not download. Starting here helps confirm that you're working with the correct item and lets you review its settings before changing anything else. Once you've found the file, click the three-dot menu next to it. This opens more options for that file or folder. From there, select Folder Information. Even if you're troubleshooting a download issue, this is a useful place to look because it can give you more context about the item and how it's shared. Next, click on Details to check access limits. This is an important step because in some cases the problem is not your device or browser at all. The file may have restrictions set by the owner, or your access level may not allow downloading. Reviewing the details can help you quickly confirm whether the issue is related to permissions. If there are download restrictions in place, you may need to request the appropriate access from the file owner. If everything looks normal there, and you still can't download the file, the next step is to clear your browsing data. Click the three dots in the upper right corner of your browser window. This opens the main browser menu where you can find the option to delete browsing data. Cached files or stored browser data can sometimes interfere with downloads, especially if Google Drive isn't loading properly. Clearing that data can refresh the browser and remove anything that may be causing the issue. After doing this, return to Google Drive and try the download again. If the problem still isn't resolved, check whether your browser is fully updated. Click the three dots again in the upper right corner, then look for the Help option. In most browsers, this is where you can check for updates. Running an outdated browser can cause compatibility issues with websites like Google Drive, so installing the latest version is a good final step. By checking the file details, clearing browsing data, and making sure your browser is up to date, you can resolve many common Google Drive download issues quickly and effectively.